Hi kids! This video is about hummingbirds. Let's dive into the book and learn more about hummingbirds today. So let me zoom in. Hummingbirds. These birds beat their wings in a figure-8 pattern, which gives them a lot of flight control. They are the only birds able to fly backward, and they can even fly upside down. Oh my gosh, that's nice. They also hover, which is necessary when they use their long bills to probe flowers and drink the nectar with them. Wow! This hummingbird right here is magenta-throated wood star. Wow, look at the magenta color here. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. And it uses its long bill to probe flowers. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Okay. The hummingbird is saying something. Let's read what is that. My wings are a blur. Small hummingbirds flap their wings about 4,200 times a minute. Oh no, that's so huge. That's 70 times a second. A tiny bee hummingbird flaps its wings even faster at about 200 times a second during courtship displays. Oh my gosh, that's so nice and that's so interesting and amazing fact. Okay, let's learn about the diet. Hummingbirds don't just feed on nectar. It would make a very poor diet. They also catch insects and spiders to add valuable protein, vitamins, and minerals. That's nice. Bee hummingbird. This is the one which flaps its wing 200 times a second. Oh, the lifespan of bee hummingbird is just 3 years. Its length is about 5 to 6 centimeter. Weight is about just 2 grams. Oh my gosh. They live in Cuba and Isle of Pines. Famed as the smallest bird in the whole world, the male bee hummingbird is smaller than the female. Unlike the female, it also has iridescent feathers around its head and neck. The females lay eggs no larger than peas. Oh, I love that. It's so cute. The females lay eggs no larger than peas in tiny walnut-sized nests. Oh my gosh, I love them. I want to see them once in my lifetime. That's so cute. Oh. Iridescent feathers are a striking feature of most male hummingbirds. The feathers appear to have a metallic sheen. Oh yeah, look at the feathers here. Okay, but why? It is to help the males to attract females. When he is looking for a female, the male searches for a perch in the sun, which causes the iridescent feathers to positively gleam. That's so nice, amazing. No hummingbird weighs more than 24 grams, that is 1 ounce. This is about the weight of a tablespoon of sugar. Oh, that's so cool. That's so pretty. That's so amazing. Oh my gosh. The largest hummingbird is the giant hummingbird. Fact file. Let's know what is a fact file. There are a number of different types of hummingbirds, but all of them are found in the Americas. They all have a long, pointed bill that is designed to probe into flowers so the bird can drink nectar. That's a nice. So, you guys had fun learning about hummingbirds today? I enjoyed the most, I guess. Yay! Bye-bye, kiddos!